In the midst of rapid technological advancements, combat drones have become one of the leading innovations in the military world. One of the most well-known combat drones is the MQ-9 Reaper. With its versatile and armed capabilities, the MQ-9 Reaper has proven itself as one of the most effective and reliable military systems in modern combat zones. In this video, we will explore the characteristics and the crucial role of the MQ-9 Reaper in current military operations. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we are more motivated. The MQ-9 Reaper, developed by the United States company, General Atomics, is an unmanned armed combat drone equipped with various advanced sensors and weapon systems. In terms of speed, this drone can reach a maximum speed of 480 km per hour and has a wide operational range. The MQ-9 Reaper can also fly for over 27 hours continuously, enabling it to carry out long-distance missions effectively. One of the most prominent features of the MQ-9 Reaper is its ability to carry various types of weapons that can be selected according to mission requirements. This drone is equipped with Hellfire missiles, enabling it to destroy ground targets, including armored vehicles and enemy positions. Additionally, the MQ-9 Reaper can carry precision-guided bombs such as GBU-12 Paveway 2 and GBU-38 JDAM, allowing it to conduct airstrikes with high accuracy. The primary role of the MQ-9 Reaper in military operations is reconnaissance and surveillance. This drone is equipped with various sensors such as radar, thermal cameras, and electronic reconnaissance equipment, enabling it to detect and identify potential threats. With its ability to fly at safe altitudes, the MQ-9 Reaper can provide comprehensive situational awareness to ground forces. In addition to reconnaissance, the MQ-9 Reaper can also perform targeting and direct attack missions. This drone can operate autonomously or be controlled by a human operator from a remote location. With this capability, the MQ-9 Reaper can effectively destroy enemy targets with high precision without endangering the lives of military personnel. The use of the MQ-9 Reaper has proven to be highly effective in various military operations worldwide. This drone has been utilized in reconnaissance and attack missions in Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria. In counter-terrorism operations, the MQ-9 Reaper has assisted in disrupting terrorist supply routes, identifying terrorist bases, and even eliminating dangerous terrorist leaders. Furthermore, the MQ-9 Reaper has also been used in search and rescue operations. This drone can help locate and track victims of natural disasters, sunken ships, or missing military personnel in combat zones. In emergency situations, the MQ-9 Reaper can provide swift and accurate assistance to rescue teams. However, the use of combat drones like the MQ-9 Reaper has also sparked some controversies. Some critics argue that the use of drones in military operations can result in unforeseen civilian casualties and violate human rights. Therefore, it is essential to ensure that the use of drones is done with full ethical and legal considerations. Overall, the MQ-9 Reaper has proven itself as one of the most effective and reliable combat drones in modern military operations. With its advanced reconnaissance capabilities and deadly armament, this drone can provide strategic advantages to military forces on the battlefield. However, it is crucial for the user countries to develop appropriate policies and guidelines for the use of combat drones to ensure that this technology is used wisely and within the established legal boundaries. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss other exciting content about technology and military defense.